Hey, so I just wanted to jump on and do a really quick little hair curling tip hack for you all. It's one of the most things that I get asked or clients saying that they struggle with doing the curls with their iron. So first tip, make sure that you prepped your hair correctly. Today I've used the Kyley Inc Moisture Hydrate Spray. So this one is to give your hair loads of hydration, volume, and it's also got a thermal protectant in it. So even if you have already blow dried and styled your hair previously, you can just spritz this through prior to using your irons. So grab yourself like 2 scrunchies, literally part it either down the center or through the side. And what you're going to do, now my hair's only, as you can see, bob length, but you'll still be able to get the idea. Pop it into 2 piggies. And then once you've done that, we're going to separate the pigtails and curl those. Now, potentially use a sectioning clip to do that, because if you don't, it can be a little bit difficult if you've got a fair bit of hair or it's quite long. And then what you're going to do is, with your iron, just curling each section of your piggy. Separating it as you go. Now, if you do find that your hair is prone to getting a little frizzy, I suggest putting in the Kyley Inc Argan Oil Serum. This one is clear in colour, so blondes, you don't have to worry about it changing the tone of your hair. Just 2 pumps when it's damp, and then rub it in your hands, work it through all your mids and ends. You'll get loads of shine from the Argan Oil Serum. It also will reduce the frizz, makes it really shiny, and great for hair health as well. So once you've done one side, then you're just going to go off and do the other side. For longer hair, you would have all of your hair up in the pigtails. I'm actually not using the sectioning clip because my hair's short and I don't have a lot of hair, so it's working just fine without one. But you can see that it's quite easy and quick to do. If you are going to do this, I had just blast dried my hair off a little bit, didn't put too much heat onto it, because I am curling it obviously with the irons and they are very hot. So be sure not to put too much heat if you are going to be then using your irons, just so you're not double styling it essentially. Alright, so then once you've done that, basically let it cool down, and then what you're going to do is you're just going to loosen, like pull out your scrunchie, and then just shake it out a bit, and you can see that it gives it that bit of movement without it being really curly. And then any areas that you'd like to define, so say this area that wasn't quite in it at the front here, just go back in, twirling, just turning your hair back over the iron, and you'll get loads of movement through it like that. Hope this helps. Do let me know if you have any other questions in regards to doing this, or any other little tips and tricks you'd like to know. Comment below. See you.